Hey guys, it's been a really busy day today. I'm glad you're with me. I hope you don't mind that I've put a couple of videos up. Hey, if you've got a boat that has a finish like that and you want one that looks like that, I'm just about to show you some things that you can try to see if you can achieve that. And by that, I mean basically that.
Hey, Tubal Views, welcome back to the party. This is a boat, it showed up moments ago, about an hour ago. It's owned by the same folks that own that green boat, and I thought I'd take the opportunity to show you something. So, I'm going to do something completely strange. I'm going to do one section over here with nothing but Super Duty by 3M. I'm going to do one section with Super Duty and Heavy Cut by 3M. Whoop. And then I'm going to use nothing, well, I've already done it. This is all three steps. I'm going to show you the progression and what it looks like. So this is kind of like reverse detailing. And I'm going to show you some very specific things about how to use these compounds and some results that you can expect if you do what I say to do. Anyway, I'm going to set you up right about here. It's going to get a little loud. There might be some wind noise. Just bear with me. I'm not going to explain anything. Everything I do is just going to be, here's what I do. And you're going to see me do some things that I wouldn't train anyone to do. But again, do as I say, not as I do. I know this boat, I know my buffer, I know my products. So I'm aware of what I can get away with. You guys might not be aware of what you can get away with. So this is part of a demonstration. So 3M's Super Duty. This stuff is gritty. In fact, when I put it on the boat, you'll hear it slide around and go shh, 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 because it's gritty. All right, ready? We'll wipe that off later. Now, if you don't mind, I'm going to turn you a little bit, and we'll hit this middle section with nothing but Super Duty and Heavy Cut. And we'll have this all done, okay? So I'm going to use the same pad. You can see how much boat came off. Quite a bit, actually. But I'm going to spur it out. So this part, Super Duty, then Heavy Cut. So basically what you just saw, just a little bit mowed. A little bit of boat came off. Let's go ahead and flip the pad over, get into our Heavy Cut.
Now, right about here, you're going to see me do something, I don't know, ego stroking. This is just me showing off. I always try to tell people that the difference between me and most detailers is most detailers are trying to fight the boat and the buffer. I try to dance with it. And when you figure that out, you can do stuff like this. Again, this is just showing off, so try not to do this. Don't try to copy it. I'm really good.
All right, that's it. We're done. Give me a second. All right, so let's stand back a little bit. Let's see. So, right about here, just Super Duty. And then right back here, a little bit of, actually probably from right here to here, this whole section is all heavy cut. And then this section back here is perfected. So, I am going to turn you up a little bit so you can see the sun's reflection, if at all possible. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? There it is. Okay, okay. So, swirls, swirls, swirls on the Super Duty. Swirls, swirls, swirls on the heavy cut. Huh? Yeah? And then the perfected, not so much. Let's see, get up, up, up. Where's that sun? There we are. Okay. So there's the sun in the perfected side. Here's the sun in the heavy cut side. And here's the sun in the Super Duty side. Now, before you go judgy on me, I'm going to wipe this down, and you're going to see something that might change your entire attitude about Super Duty. So you notice those swirls are changing shape every time I wipe this boat. It's because it's not a swirl, it's just the oil on the surface. Huh? Okay, then heavy cut. So, the reason I'm showing you this is because there's a history in detailing of taking a boat or a car, usually cars, and you hit them with a really aggressive compound. And from there, you go less aggressive. So the finish gets better and better and better. And I'm thinking, whoa, if you got all that time to waste, sure. But if you don't, and you just want to get to it, you can actually start with Super Duty. And if you do a good job, you can just clean and wax that. I think that looks great. If, however, you want to take it up a notch, you can use heavy cut. And if you do, that'll look great. Clean it, wax it, you're happy. If you want your wax to last a little bit longer and you have a nicer shine and a little bit easier time cleaning your boat, Perfected EXAC. This stuff. So, start with Super Duty. Got that? Got the number? Follow up with heavy cut. And then, to dial it in one more step, hit it with the Perfected EXAC. All of this was on a Rotary with a wool pad. In fact, you saw it. It was the same wool pad. That's how easy it is, guys. It doesn't take much. You can do this in an afternoon. This entire boat hull will probably take me about 3.5 hours. So if you'd rather wet sand your oxidation, you can do that. Or you can do what I've been doing for a really long time and grinding stuff like this into submission using the right compounds, the right wheel, the right tool. You can take care of it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Maybe on the other side, I'll turn the boat around. We'll do another comparison of all the compounds. I'll do little sections. Boom, 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 boom.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate your time. If you have a detailer in your marina who can't do this with a Rotary buffer and compound, maybe show them this video and, I don't know, get them to where they need to be as a professional.